Hi. Today we'll be taking a look at how to customize your CoinMarketCap.com table view. Over the years, we've received a lot of feedback about adding and removing specific data to our homepage. Rather than making the tough decision of which data to display for everyone, we now allow this to be customizable by you. That's right! You can now decide which information to show on the homepage of CoinMarketCap based on what's most important for you. You can find a Customize button on the upper right corner of the coin ranking table. Here, we list a wide range of data to choose from. You can add up to 12 columns to your table. Just click them. And you can reorder them depending on your preference. If you want to remove any columns, simply click the X to deselect. To revert back to our default view, you can always click Restart, which will show our standard metrics. If you're feeling a bit overwhelmed by our options, we also have a few pre-made selections for you. For example, if you wanted to see high-performing coins, you can try the Top Gainers preset. Now we'll show data tied to shorter-term performance. When you're all done with your custom view, click on Apply Changes and your homepage columns will reflect the options you've chosen. As a final note, the custom view is stored on your device, so if you use another computer or clear your browser cookies, you'll have to choose your settings again. Thanks for watching. If you have any more suggestions for CoinMarketCap, do let us know. We love feedback.